Ever wondered how we breathe easy at 30,000 feet? It's all about air pressure and oxygen levels. Here's the lowdown. Aircraft cabins are pressurized to mimic conditions at 8,000 feet above sea level. This is comfortable for most people and allows for ample oxygen absorption. But what about that precious O2? Aircraft engines are the unsung heroes. They ingest air, a fifth of which is oxygen, and compress it. Part of this compressed air, known as bleed air, is cooled, filtered, and pumped into the cabin. But wait, there's more. The air is also mixed with existing cabin air, and a portion is expelled to maintain pressure. So next time you're up in the clouds, remember, it's not just the engines keeping you aloft, but also keeping you alive. And that's your minute of wisdom. Until next time, keep exploring.